Hello again, this is Alex and this is clarinet video number 2. So today we're going to be going over your embouchure, where your hands go on the clarinet, and then the first 5 notes. So we should begin with where your hand placement is. So what you're going to want to do is, we have the clarinet. Your left hand is always going to go on top. It doesn't matter if you're a lefty or righty, your left hand always goes on top. So we'll start. The thumb goes on the thumb key right here. And remember, you're going to want to cover up all the keys to the fullest extent. So put your thumb here like this. Don't worry about the register key yet, but thumb key. Then your pointer finger is going to want to go on this first open hole. Second finger is going to want to go on the third open hole. Now the third finger goes on this hole that we don't have the metal cover, which is okay because it's not supposed to have one. Then your second hand, which we won't need today, will go, your thumb will go into the thumb rest. Preferably your nail will be there. Then pointer finger again goes on the first hole, middle finger goes on the second, and then the third one goes on this third hole. And then pinkies will stay within this general area because you will at one point have to use these pinky keys. Now for the next thing we need to go over is embouchure. So what you're going to want to pretend is, if you have a straw nearby, or if you have, even your finger works, you're going to put your finger on your bottom lip and roll back so that you're covering your teeth. Put your top teeth on top as if you're biting down, and then close your lips and suck, so that you make that perfect clarinet embouchure. So now we just have to apply it with the clarinet. So like that. Then now, finally, part 3, the notes. So now I will play an example at the end. For now, I'm just going to do this. So first we'll start on C. So you're going to put all your fingers down, so your thumb, your pointer, your middle, and your bottom, and your ring finger, all down on your top hand. Again, nothing will be put on your bottom hand for today. So that's C. Next will be D. You just raise your ring finger and you have a D. Then E, raise your middle finger, you have an E. Now F, you raise all your top fingers, so your pointer, your middle, and your ring, and you have an F. Leave that thumb down though. The F does have the thumb down. Then G, how you're going to hold G is no hands on top. You'll leave your hand there hovering over, but just for visuals, no hands. Okay, so now we'll start on C. Then D. Then E. Then F, and then finally G. Now again, you never want to go as dramatic as I just did. I was just doing it for visuals, but how it'll look is this. Okay, thank you, and I hope this was helpful.